North American Rail Trends, 2025. Infrastructure, Investment, and Innovation. The North American rail system moves more than 40% of all long-distance freight, and in 2025, it's entering a new era. Driven by record infrastructure investment, digital innovation, and cross-border trade growth, railroads are redefining how freight moves across the continent. 1. Infrastructure, upgrading the backbone. Across the US, Canada, and Mexico, over 140,000 miles of track are being modernized. Union Pacific and BNSF are adding double-track corridors in California and Texas to clear bottlenecks. CPKC, the first single-line rail connecting all three nations, is expanding terminals and cross-border infrastructure to handle booming trade under USMCA. And with $1.4 billion in federal rail grants, the US DOT is modernizing bridges, grade crossings, and climate-resilient routes. Ports like Los Angeles, Long Beach, and Vancouver are deepening rail connections, while inland hubs in Chicago, Dallas, and Kansas City expand intermodal capacity, bringing freight closer to final delivery faster. 2. Investment, record capital flows. The rail sector is spending over $20 billion a year in CapEx, the highest level in decades. Money is pouring into track maintenance, signaling systems, hydrogen and electric locomotives, and new intermodal yards. Public-private partnerships under the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act are accelerating this transformation. Canada and Mexico are matching that pace, developing freight corridors designed to keep up with US-Mexico-Canada trade volumes. As trucking faces driver shortages and rising diesel costs, rail's efficiency and lower carbon footprint are giving it a sharp competitive edge. 3. Innovation, technology on the rails. AI, automation, and digitalization are no longer experiments, they're standard practice. Predictive maintenance software spots component failures before they happen. Automated dispatching keeps trains running on precise schedules. And digital twin simulations model entire rail networks to cut congestion and improve reliability. Sustainability tech is leading the charge. Hydrogen fuel and battery electric locomotives are in pilot service, while hybrid engines help bridge the transition from diesel to clean energy. 4. Cross-border trade and USMCA integration. Nearshoring is rewriting North America's supply chains. Manufacturing moving from Asia to Mexico means a surge in cross-border freight, and CPKC's tri-national network is at the center of it. Digital customs systems and automated clearance reduce border delays, making rail the most efficient link between factories in Monterrey and warehouses in Chicago or Toronto. 5. Challenges ahead. Labor shortages, community resistance, and extreme weather disruptions remain real threats. Railroads also face competition from trucking and maritime sectors. But continuous innovation in automation, safety, and sustainability keeps the rail industry resilient. The road ahead. Beyond 2025, expect full-scale deployment of hydrogen and battery fleets, expansion of on-dock and inland terminals, seamless digital integration between ports, rail, and trucking, data-driven logistics that predict freight flows days in advance. Rail is becoming not just a transport mode, but the intelligent core of North America's supply chain. Final take in 2025, North American Rail isn't just maintaining the network, it's reinventing it. Billions in investment, cleaner locomotives, and smarter operations are turning rail into the most sustainable and efficient freight option on the continent. For shippers, brokers, and 3PLs, this is the time to connect with rail-integrated logistics strategies. Because the future of freight will run on rails powered by data and driven by innovation. Be loaded, moving smarter, further, and cleaner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on transportation topics. Anytime, any place. Be loaded.